Hey guys, just here with another quick review. This time we're reviewing a 3D printed moon night light. So according to the eBay listing, this thing comes with 3 colors: white, warm light, yellow, LED, moonlight. And it's supposed to be biodegradable, printed 3D. And when it comes to the pictures, we're expecting something to look like this. Soft light that won't hurt the eyes. The battery is supposed to last somewhere between 6 to 12 hours. Takes about 3 hours to charge. These are the colors that are supposed to be. And it comes with a little wooden nightstand. So if you see here, it looks a little bit bigger. Now on eBay I found this for $12.93 in free shipping, and it took about 2 to 3 days to arrive. And here it is. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So in this case we just have a small box. I think my phone is even bigger than the box, so we'll see how big it is. Okay, so I guess this is the moon. Oh, it turned on by itself. There's a button right here. I think that's where you change the colors. So basically just the light tap changes the colors. Okay, we'll look in this in a little bit. Let's see what else is inside. Okay, instructions. So user manual. So according here we have the 3D moon lamp, the USB charging cord, and a wooden stand. Those are the specifics, directions. At the bottom of the 3D moon lamp, press the light. Press a tiny metallic switch to change the light. Okay. And then to charge it, we can charge it connecting it to an outlet or through a computer. And assembly instructions for our stand. Let's see where our stand is. Okay, this is the cable, I assume, to charge it. And the wooden stand. Ooh. So I guess we have to assemble it. And we'll see how it looks. Let me assemble it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have assembled the wooden stand, which is basically just put it in any flat surface, put the moon on top, and here we go. So again, the instructions said that this metal button right here, let's see if we can focus on it, right there is the one we're supposed to touch to change the color. So here we have it off, the orange glow, the white glow, and like a brighter light, brighter white glow. So orange, white, off, and a bright white. Like I said, it is supposed to be 3D printed. It's supposed to resemble a moon. You can use it for a nightlight decoration or whatever you want. I'm just using it for decoration. I found it interesting. So that's it. Inside the box, there's nothing. And then to charge it, basically, you're gonna connect it to the black little hole right here, little port. With this one right here. And then connect this either to an outlet or connect it to a computer. the instructions say it's gonna take about 3 hours to charge, and that single charge should last you about 6 to 12 hours, which should be enough for a long use. Since I don't think I'm gonna keep it on that often. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. So if you guys are interested in purchasing it, I'll leave a link in the description. Like I said, it was $12.93 for me, free shipping, fresh shipping. It arrived in 2-3 days since I ordered it. It looks nice. Just a nice little gadget to have. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.